Hello all. In this video session we'll be discussing about different file opening modes. In our previous sessions we have discussed about the file opening modes R, W and A. R stands for read, W for write and A for append. Okay. So these modes deals with text files. So here we can write R or RT, W or WT, A or AT, where T stands for text file. You can write either RT or you can write simply R. Okay. So if you open a file in read mode, then only reading is possible, and if the file is not existing, then no new files are created. Okay. So if the file is already existing, it will return the starting address of the file, otherwise it will return null value. In the case of W, which stands for write mode, it also deals with text files. If the mode is W, only writing is possible, but if the file is not existing, then it will create a new file, and if the file is existing, then the length will be truncated to 0, means it will open a blank file, thereby erasing the contents of the file. Okay. Then we have the append mode. Again, it deals with text files. Here also only writing is possible. So if the file is not existing, then it will create a new file. Otherwise, it will open the file and write to the end of the file. So here one thing you have to observe is in read and write, when we open a file, the file pointer will be pointing to the first location of the file, whereas if we open file in append mode, it will be pointing to the last position of the file. Okay, so these are the three modes R, W, A. So you should remember about what are the operations it support and what happens if that particular file is not existing, and also where the file pointer is when we open files using these modes. Okay, now we have another three modes, that is R plus, W plus, A plus. They all work on text files, and if we add a plus sign, that means reading and writing is possible, and the other concepts are same as R, W and A. Okay, so in case of R plus, if the file is not existing, then it won't create a new file. Okay, and if we open a file using R plus mode, then it will be pointing to the first location of the file, or we can just say that it will be in a buffer and it will be pointing to the first character in the file. Okay, so the only difference when we add plus is that in that both the operations will be possible. So here both reading and writing possible, here also reading and writing possible, and in case of A plus also reading and writing possible. Every other concepts are same as R, W and A. Okay, so plus means that it supports both the operation. Okay, now then we have another modes, that is RB, WB, AB. So these are same as RW and A, but the difference is that these deals with binary files. So RB stands for read binary file, WB stands for write binary file, and AB stands for append binary files. Okay, the concepts are same as R, W and A. The only difference is that they deals with binary files. Okay, then another three modes are RB plus, WB plus and AB plus. They deals with the binary file. The remaining concepts are same as RB plus is similar to R plus, WB plus is similar to W plus, and mode AB plus is similar to A plus. So they all have the same concept. Okay, so remember about these concepts. Remember about the 12 file opening modes that we have. Okay, thank you.